Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Threads application from your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to delete the Threads application, then you can either long press on the Threads app, which will show you the uninstall button. Just tap on this uninstall button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to uninstall the Threads app. Tap on the delete button and this will uninstall the Threads app from your device right away. You can also open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and then use the search box to search for the Threads app. Once you find the Threads application, tap on it and you will see the uninstall button. Just tap on this button and this will also ask you whether you are sure that you want to remove the app. After providing your confirmation, the application will be removed from your system right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete the Threads application from your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.